here at the starting point of Dragon's Back hike. And today we're going to hike Dragon's Back, ending up at Big Wave Bay Beach. So how to get here, guys? Please continue watching my videos for the directions, views, and highlights. Let's go! Okay, what? Let's go. 14.4 from Jordan. Here you go. This is bus 9 here. Oh wow. This bus is going to Cape de Aguilar and Shek O. And we will get this to go to Dragon's Back hike. Okay, it's queue now. We're approaching at the TEI WAN bus stop for Dragon's Back hike. So this is the bus stop here at TEI WAN. We have to get off now. Let's go. Here you go. So here you are, guys. This is the starting point of the Dragon's Back hike. It's just right in front of the bus stop. Alright, let's go! That's a steep part there. So there is a nice view deck here. Let's see. It's so nice to see this view once again. This is the view of the Dragon's Back hike here at the view deck. So you can see the Taitam Reservoir on that side. And this is the Red Hill, and behind is the Taitam Road going to Stanley and some other parts there. Pretty girls here today. Thanks for coming. Alright. Yeah, so we're still following the dragon sign to go. That's the Dragon's Back hike. So let's go up. Yeah, Hong Kong Trail siya. Dragon's Back. Alright, so here you go. If you're confused on this side, the main path for Dragon's Back is on your left hand side, but we want to go and visit the views up here. So we're going here first and then we'll come back down. Okay. gosh, I cannot get enough of the beautiful views around here. It's so nice to see this view again today. We're gonna head back down to our final hike. Okay guys, so that is the trail we're gonna take today. Looks like a dragon's back over there. Let's go!
Workout resumed.
That one there. Alright guys, so we're back down and we're gonna continue to the main path on our left hand side. So that's the dragon's back trail. Let's go. Let's go. I will never get bored of this hike. This is a very beautiful hike and there are lots of beautiful views around here. Dragon's Back hike here at Shek O Country Park. Such a beautiful view here guys. Very nice. It's an easy hike. Not much steep part here. Alright, here you go. This is it. Holy moly. So yeah, that's the one there. Shek O Peak Dragon's Back. So guys, here we are. We have reached the summit. Hooray! So if you can see the beach over there, that is the Big Wave Bay Beach, and that is where we are ending our hike guys. To have a soak, have a little swim. The beach over there, that is the Big Wave Bay Beach. And if you see the path going down the beach, that is the one that we're going to take. Let's go, let's go. Another view deck guys. Ang ganda oh. Oh, getting close to Big Wave. Oh my gosh, it's a long way to go actually. Oh, let's go. Still hiking Dragon's Back. Actually, there is not much confusing ways here. You just follow the path and you're all good. Look at that. We're approaching on this part, intersection. And we're gonna follow the Tai Tam Shek O Road sign guys. So if you're here, let's go on our right. Here you go. Yeah, and so Tai Tam Gap Shek O Road. We're gonna follow that sign guys because we're going to Big Wave. And you can also finish your hike at Shek O Road if you like. So let's go. Reach this point guys. If you want to end your hike here, you just go down the road to Shek O Road and take the bus to go back to Shek O. But for us today, we're gonna hike to Big Wave, so we're gonna go on our right hand side. Here you go. That's the one there. We stop here for a break, but we're gonna head to Big Wave now. There you go, the girls. Now we're done with the Dragon's Back. Alright, let's follow the sign here on the left hand side. Big Wave Bay. Yes, there you go. Go there. So look at here. If you want a shortcut going down the village houses here, you can take this way. But for us, we want to go to Big Wave and we want to see the view over there. So we're gonna go straight this path, guys. Let's go.
Hi.
Ay, oo, honeycomb. Ah. went through this point. Let's get ahead right. That's the sign there. It says big wave, so it's only 3-4 hours, so it takes 45 minutes. Okay, so we're heading to Big Wave Bay now, and look at the view here, guys. It's so beautiful, it's amazing. So this is the Dragon's Back, or the Hong Kong Section 8 that we did today, and all the way here. Okay, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to have a soak, guys. It's so hot in here. Almost there, guys. 1,100 steps going. Oh my gosh, guys, this is it. After more than 3 hours hike, winding the Section 8 of Hong Kong Trail from TEI WAN, Dragon's Back hike, ending here at Big Wave Bay Beach. I highly recommend this hike. It's really beautiful there, and I cannot wait to have a soak, guys. I love the colorful tents and umbrellas there, and the colorful surfing boards. Let's go. I cannot wait. Done with our soak, guys. Now we're gonna head home. Bye bye, Big Wave Bay Beach. Gonna come and visit you again one day. We're gonna follow this road going up here. Hey, wow, bongo. Yummy chicken wings. Walk uphill. Let's just follow the road going up. Follow the road going up. Alright, here you go. Yeah, we're just gonna queue for the minibus here to go back to Shek O WAN. Oh, there you go. We're queuing for the minibus, but suddenly an empty big bus 9 came, so we're gonna take the big bus, guys.